You can make a quilt for your bed, and then you can make a rug to go right beside the quilt. This was one whole strip, a package of strips. It's not a real big one, but if you wanted to buy 2 packages, you could actually do twice as big. This is cord wrapped, and it's kind of like a rag rug. I'm going to show you how to do that really fast and easy. And so I had some ideas for doing this, that this would have been a great idea. I said, oh, let's use a fat cord. Well, honey, get that thing through the sewing machine, that's pretty tricky. So this is a tough cord to work with. It's a little bit easier to use a thinner cord that's like clothesline. And so what you do is you take one of your strips and you close the very top of the strip. So you just stitch the top closed right there like that. And then you're going to turn it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, and I always go ahead and tape the edge of this because it frays like crazy. And I'm going to just take and match the seam right here with the edge of the cord. And then you have all this extra right here. It's always, it's a long piece, and you want to add a real long piece because you don't want to have to keep, going back to the sewing machine. So if you make this piece real long, you want to go ahead and roll it up. You could use a tube or something. I just went ahead and rolled it up like, with my hands, and just made a great big little roll. And by the time it was actually a great big roll, not a great big little roll. And so now you're going to take this and twist it around the cord. Now, do you notice that right here I have the fold of the fabric, and then I have the cord, the raw edges here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is wrap it, I fold it, and I wrap it. And I fold it, and I wrap it as I go. Now, some people go ahead and fold it all and then roll it up. Boy, does that take ever a long time. So I am the one that wants to go fast. And if you have a pin in it, that'll slow you down too. So just hang on to this, and then just keep on going round and around and around. And then you will have yourself a neat little rug. Or what else can you do with it? Well, here's the cord wrapped in the clothesline cord wrapped, and this actually could be a placemat. And wouldn't this be neat to put one of these little clear plates on it? Here's a little extra coaster, or you could just do the coaster and the cup. And well, how cool is that? What a nice little pretty thing for your kitchen.